And in the corner we have Beep Beep Mareep.
Is there any beepers, buzzers, horns on that robot?
I'm missing a trick if there isn't. Do we have any Mareep fans in the audience? Any Gen 2 Pokemon fans? Let's go.
Robot here, stand by.
Personally, I'd go Reaper.
3, 2, 1.
So, immediately you'll be going over, trying to put some damage. You want to stick against your arena. My power down! That's my power back, you scouts! So, your move now gets to get with the action. BBB is upside down. Can they self-right? Very slowly if they can.
Your move has a devastating hammer. We are going to need... Joe, are you busy? Can you fix the camera?
It's fine, we've got
Thank you, that's appreciated.
So we've got BBB now stuck, teetering on the pit there, so I'm sure Robot's going to move over and hit the pit button, or I'm going to see all these save them. It's hard to
Flipperpool has saved them!
And then your move! Button machine! So Flipperpool now with a great flip on your move, and then out to the BBB going push, trying to... They've not got the ground clearance, their wheels are too small.
Go on, Mareep! We're praying for you!
I'm very impressed that the two robots are ignoring BBB and just flipping it up in the wall.
That's a very pink box!
Your move is in a little bit of trouble. I thought they were going to be a strong contender. I don't know about you, but Flipperpool to me is a bit slow, a bit drifty as it almost went into the pit.
And your move is made of wood! It would be a real shame if your move faced the chainsaw at some point today.
So we see a Flipperpool trying to live up to his name. Can they flip your move into the ball pit? That's where we all want to be, in the ball pit.
He left balls!
Left there. Flipperpool doing a great job. And the crowd love seeing that. So BBB, they are kind of out. They're actually happy with that. 3 seconds left.
4, 3.
And a final flip there from Flipperpool.
What a tussle!
So unfortunately a bit of a two-robot battle as BBB was really struggling on the arena floor. They didn't get counted out though, I don't believe, or did they?
Maybe.
I mean, Craig's going to be the official for this. So we've only got a two-robot fight for you to decide on. And a accidental release.
Yeah, it's fine, everything is fine. Anyway, I'm really glad I'm not the judge for this one, because that was actually really hard and really close. Can you give us a cheer if you think the pink one, your move, won that?
Repeat.
I'm going to ban the drivers from cheering. Can you give us a cheer if you think Flipperpool won that? I don't know.
In fairness, cheer for both if you're gonna.
Can we do that again, but without a sound cheering? Give us a cheer if you think your move won. Give us a cheer if you think Flipperpool won. I think it's a win for the Flipper.
Yep, you got the inbuilt decibel meter. I am just here to